If I was going to invest £10,000, here are the 3 things I'd buy in 2026. For context, I started investing when I was 18 years old with a few £1,000s. I'm 24 now and I built a 6-figure net worth. Now I'm going to rank these from least risky to most risky, but if I had £10,000, I'd invest my first £4,000 in the SPY. This is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which consists of the 500 largest companies in the US. You're essentially buying the entire American economy. This is going to allow you to have broader exposure to the markets without taking on a ton of risk. The best thing about it, in recent years, it's been returning between 13 and 15%. This is the backbone of my portfolio and an essential buy for everyone. The second thing I'm going to invest into is another ETF called QQQ. And this is a little bit more risky and it tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which is more tech focused. Think of companies like Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla. And with this comes more market risk and higher market volatility, but also higher potential upside. And in recent years, it's been returning between 18 and 20%. Investment number 3 is where a huge portion of my wealth has come from, and this is growth stocks and a little bit of crypto. The thing with these investments is that they are super high risk, so you have to be content that you could lose all your money in them. The other thing, as a beginner investor, you don't really have much experience, so I wouldn't go all guns and blazing buying Bitcoin and growth stocks, but I do think Bitcoin still has a way to go, and it would be irresponsible not to have a little bit of exposure to it. So overall, how I'd invest £10,000, I'd put £4,000 into the S&P 500, £3,500 into QQQ, aka NASDAQ, and the rest £2,500 into crypto and growth stocks. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, peace.